Formation of soils. What is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface. It is a mixture of rock sediments, water, mineral particles, humus and air. It takes thousands of years for 1 inch of soil to be formed. It forms when weathering and gradation of rocks take place. Weathering is the process in which rocks gets broken down into smaller pieces in a particular place. Factors like heat, moisture, wind, plants and animals help in breaking down of rocks. Then the natural agents like river, glacier and waves transport and deposit these weathered rocks. Then the natural agents like river, glacier and waves transport and deposit these weathered rock sediments in layers. Importance of soil. A major part of the earth's surface is covered by soil. It is the loose top layer of our planet's surface. Soil is an important natural resource. It supports either directly or indirectly most of the life on this planet. Plants and trees get their nutrients from the soil. Animals eat the nutritious plants. Flesh-eater animals too get their nutrition indirectly from the plants by eating the animals that eat plants. Soil is also home to many organisms like ants, beetles, worms, millipedes, centipedes and many more. The tiny microbes present in the soil help in the decay of dead plant and animal matter. This process of decomposition also helps in making the soil fertile and creates humus. Humus is an organic substance consisting of partially or wholly decayed vegetable or animal matter which provides nutrients for the plant and increases the water retention capacity of the soil. Formation of soil. The formation of soil is a long and slow natural process. In fact, it takes thousands of years to form a thin layer of soil. Due to the action of winds and water, rocks break into smaller particles. These smaller pieces of rocks get further break down into sand and silt. Then, wind and water carry them from one place to another. Finally, this forms the rich, fertile surface which is called soil. At some places, the soil is quite thick, while at other places, it is not so thick. If soil particles are very fine, it is called clay. And if they are a little coarse, it is called silt. If soil particles are very fine, it is called clay, and if they are little coarse, it is called silt. If they are very coarse, it is called sand. Types of soils. India is an agricultural country. It is the main occupation of more than 70% of people in India. We know that different types of plants and crops grow in different parts of India. This largely depends upon the climate and the type of soil found in a region. The type of soil varies from place to place. Based on color, structure and the place where they are found, soils in India are classified into 6 major types. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, mountain soil. Alluvial soil. This is the most important and widespread category of soil. The entire northern plains of India are alluvial soils. This soil is formed by the deposition of silt or alluvium brought by the rivers. This soil is found in the river valleys, plains and deltas of northern India and eastern coastal plain. Alluvial soil is highly fertile and rich in minerals. It consists of clay, sand and humus. Rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, maize, cotton, vegetables, oilseeds and pulses are the crops grown in this soil. Black soil. Black soil is formed from lava or molten material that comes out of a volcano. Hence it is also called black lava soil. It is generally clay, deep and impermeable. This soil can retain moisture for a long duration and this quality makes this soil suitable for cultivation. During dry seasons, it develops a deep white cracks. It is also called rigor or black cotton soil since cotton is widely cultivated in this soil. Black soil is found in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The soil is also good for growing crops such as sugarcane, wheat, millets, tobacco, oilseeds, etc. and for citrus fruits, etc. Red soil. Red soil is formed by the breaking up of crystalline volcanic rocks. Due to the presence of iron oxide, the soil is of red color. Red soil particles are big and coarse, thus cannot hold water. This soil is less fertile. Rice, cotton, millets, wheat, pulses and oilseeds are cultivated in it with the help of irrigation and by adding fertilizers. This type of soil is found in the states of Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and Karnataka. Laterite soil. Laterite soil is a mixture of clay and red soil. This soil is not fertile at all. It is formed in places where it rains heavily and leaching. Washing away of minerals from the soil by the flow of water occurs. Laterite soil is found in some areas of Maharashtra, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Odisha, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana and Kerala. It is used to make bricks in large scale. If properly fertilized, it can be used for growing tea, coffee, rubber and coconut. Desert soil. This kind of soil is found in the desert regions of Rajasthan. In the desert of sandy soil, the moisture content is very low. However, with the proper irrigation facilities, crops such as wheat, barley, millets, pulses, maize and cotton can also be grown in sandy soil. Forest soil or mountain soil. This type of soil is mostly found in the mountain regions of India. It is dark brown or black in color. This soil is very fertile because of the presence of humus. This type of soil is found in the lower altitudes of Himalayas and the states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Kashmir. A large variety of tropical fruits, tea, coffee and spices are grown in these regions. The people living here practice terrace farming to grow food crops like maize and rice. A large variety of tropical fruits, tea, coffee and spices are grown in these regions. The people living here practice terrace farming to grow food crops like maize and rice. Soil erosion. Deforestation and overgrazing of animals make the soil loose. Thereafter, rainfall and strong winds carry the loose soil away. This process is called soil erosion. Both natural and human activities are responsible for soil erosion. Construction activities like building houses, bridges, roads and dams require cutting of trees to clear land. The indiscriminate felling of trees for these activities is called deforestation. Deforestation increases soil erosion. Soil erosion is prominent in hilly and dry regions in India. Soil also becomes infertile with faulty methods of agriculture. Example, growing of the same crop in an area again and again. Soil conservation. To prevent the soil erosion, the following measures can be adopted. Soil conservation, afforestation, that is planting more and more trees. Building bunds along river banks. Terrace farming, that is growing plants along the mountain slopes in layers. Constructing dams across the river to check the speed of water. Fertility of soil can be retained or increased by using natural fertilizers like compost instead of chemical fertilizers. Crop rotation. Not allowing overgrazing by animals on a particular parts of land.